Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Esperance 0. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks.
Tipos, I'm a fans with for it to Asbongeli Sundowns.
Yes,
City congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns Gabrielo.
yes.
Sbongele EPSL
Yeah,
as a organization.
yeah.
16 teams.
Yes,
Lidwa Iron Joke Dr. Ivan Khoza.
yes.
So kusidi kancane. One step at a time.
Yes.
Today senze ukuthi singalali siphe Sundowns support
Yes.
okokuthi edlulele phambili.
Yes.
I think our first prayer before kick off isebenzile.
Yes.
Although besehlukene phakathi ngemibono.
Yes.
Sithandaza we are one family. All we are wishing Sundowns be strong.
Yeah.
Maintain any situation efisana nayo eTunisia.
Yes.
Yeah, but I saw something after Tunisia ikora igoli.
Yes.
We can pray together. Kanti mthandazo wethu izalahla ama direction. Ayifani, yeah. Anyway, esathini ka Iron Joke lo mlando ufuna ukwenzeka. I continuing pray for him.
Yes.
As a chairman of the PSL.
Yeah.
Ukuthi in history yakhe run football ake idlale i-Champions League idlalwa ama-team asekhaya.
Yes.
I-Paris is one step in.
Yeah.
Today kumele it is step 2 to make evidence or confirmation
Yes.
ukuthi 2 teams in PSL already is qualifying for semi-finals.
Yes.
Lokho nje sokufana uba kwenzekile. Ingakho ngithi siyambongela Dr. Ivan Khoza ukuthi kwi association yakhe PSL kubonakala a big achievement.
Yes.
Of which nama team organ overseas abona ukuthi mayisana ama player from ku PSL asana ama player on top league.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kudlaliwe Tipos.
Yeah.
Noba abantu baye baba confuse nge VR. Yeah, nam lapho ngibe confuse khona kancane. Like tenen referee act. That's called acting. Ebantwini abakwazi ukuacta. Ekhuluma ngento ukuthi what VR decision said. Although njengoba sibukela iTV, we'll never see a referee with VAR confirm everything as a referee decider. But sibone communicator no support of which akavezwanga nalo support be communicator naye. Azamile ama players ukuyosabela ukuthi kwenzakalana amanethe calm down. At last uqhamuke ese actor shaya isign ye-VAR ukuthi hayi is offside.
Yeah.
Of which ushaman ngake ngakhuluma naye tathi uDr. Ivan Khoza. Should somehow lento ye-VAR la kuthina eSouth Africa yocishe icost ezinkulu inkinga lezi. I was not aware ukuthi wayiqonde ukukhuluma ngani. But engikubone eTunisia kunomehluko nokujwayela kuba ngikubone overseas.
Yeah.
Almost ama VAR ase overseas or referee njenganama decision maker, they are always a run to the VAR TV, reverse the saga ukuthi kwenzekeni, and then they take decision. They are showing us ukuthi bayabuya ubuya kwi VAR and then VAR ithini. Nala ikhaya VAR what you call squad siyibonile eIvory Coast la ibafana ibikorwa khona eNigeria kuzoba u2-0 kanti kune accident ebenzeke before they showing us ukuthi VAR iyasebenza because the Nigerians were celebrating ukuthi u2-0 kanti ngapha kuzathiwa ureferee akayi VAR wabuya ureferee VAR eshintsha ama set mind everyone waba very confused la accident iqale khona kanti bokufanele bakube yipenalty azange ayishaje uref but buye sethi according to ubeyile VAR buye seshengisa ukuthi ubuya ku VAR iVAR it ipenalty instead of Nigeria is celebrated in 2 goals yathi yini ipenalty is not a goal kwabuya ibafana yoshaya in ipenalty that's iVAR engiyibone engathi beyizoba usizo but le yaseTunisia ngiyibone kuTunisia mhlawumbe basazokhuluma abafowethu abane experience seVAR kodwa ke engikufisayo ukuthi mase sidlala neSundowns kwifinal if umuntu ozobe in charge kuVAR cha anga 8 baye direct kuVAR ama cameras bonise sonke ukuthi nangu ureferee eya kuVAR nangu ureferee eyibuka iVAR abesabuye nama decision ngoba leyo actor hayi siyocela sabalandeli bePalace sixolelwe ayonjuku siyocela ukuthi ama security awavala amagate bengakaphuma abantu ke sithi ukulungisa okuncane kokurojwa iVAR asifisi thina ukurojwa iVAR sesebenze kanzima cha
lingabalungisa vele nje
phela mangabe into ezingahambi kahle khona la sixoxwa khona man to man kodwa akufisi ukuthi lokho kwenzeke kuze kufike lapho namanje ngibe very worried mangibona i-disaster yabalandeli begijimisana eLoftus ngathi ngibheke yaseLoftus ngabona yaseAthlon nakhona kugijinyiswana no sabalandeli let me remind all football supporters guys stadium siyela for fun not for fight for fun not for fight so that noba sihamba nengane zethu nama families wethu ba understand ukuthi no kuyajatshulwa lapha istress zasendlini sishiye endlini uma ngase sifika sigijimisane manje ngale ndlela engiyibone yenzeka iye yangikhumbuza isikhathi zakuqala i-freedom ingakafiki i-freedom ingakafiki ababehlala east babehlala east abasewest babesewest wawuthi mawenze iphutha i-team ikore kanti uhlale ewest ngephutha uphuma uthi ucelebrate i-team yakho wawubanjwa ngakasitsonga bebekufufisa moyeni ufamba moyeni ngasikhathi ufamba moyeni ukhonjwe kuthiwa naba abangakini shoot futhi wona by 40 kumele unqamule enkundleni ufamba moyeni yabona ba isiboka into embileyo ngoba egcinene bokuba khona ukulimala manje nayafika ke freedom yonke into yagcina seyimnandi manje siyakhuza ke kubalandeli sithi no akungaliwe stadium akusupport ibhola any decision eyenziwa ureferee ingabe against wena veno accept ayikho into ongayenza ureferee uyena okumele acontrol umdlalo yeah
man of the match
my man of the match without a doubt our South African #1 goalkeeper they always do a great job ewenza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu kwi-defense engiyibone kwi-Sundowns bilahle kakhulu namhlanje defense ye-Sundowns without fear ibilahlile I don't know uphume how many times edlala i-role ka number 5 eclearisha amabhola even naleli elisuse umsindo le-VAR ubesebonile ukuthi amajita sesele ngejubane ube uzama ukuyopressa lapha kwasho kona ukuthi they out night yakevini lahlela unyawo nayo they out bengekho sho ukuthi yakora ibilahlela nje unyawo ukuthi unyawo lingafika kuqala than Williams I give Williams man of the match. Thank you very much.
Thank you my dear.